Setting up Solana development on Windows requires one extra step. You need Windows Subsystem for Linux, or WSL. Open PowerShell and run WSL install. This installs Ubuntu as your Linux environment. When it finishes, create a user account and you're ready. Now open Ubuntu from the Start menu. You'll use this Linux terminal for all Solana development. Quick tip: if paste doesn't work in the Ubuntu window, open Windows Terminal first, close it, then reopen Ubuntu. That fixes the clipboard. For the best experience, install the WSL extension in VS Code. It lets you edit code in Windows while running it in Linux. Now, run the Solana install script. This single curl command installs Rust, the Solana CLI, Anchor Framework, Surfpool Validator, and Node.js with Yarn. Once it finishes, verify everything with a combined version check. If every line shows a version number, you're ready to build on Solana. That's it. WSL +1 command. Full development environment on Windows.